Enter this command in the terminal of your Linux distribution to enable OS Prober. It will ask for your password. It should be the same account password you used to log into the system. With OS Prober enabled, grub will look for the presence of other operating systems in EFI folder and will add them in the bootloader menu. There is one little problem. The config changes won't take place unless you update grub. On Ubuntu and some other distributions, there is a dedicated command to update grub. However, on Arch and some other distributions execute this command.